I'm doing a series down in the River Arts District. This is Foundation Woodworks Gallery. They represent about 30 artists. It's so cool down here. There's a food truck right here. It's a permanent food truck that does all kinds of melts, and they're delicious. Not that I'd know that, of course. And here we are on the inside here now. They represent about 30 artists. Lots of art and furniture. I love this table. This one's by Matt Christie. But here's the real special bit in here. These are the kind of things that you don't necessarily see. So this is where the knot was. And there's a stone in the epoxy here. Isn't that cool? And most of these pieces are carved wood that you see on the walls. Really unusual pieces. I love this piece here. And this is a Julian Harris piece. Let me pull back so you can see the whole piece here. Very fun bit here is looking into the Marley, the wording that you have on here. Just read that for a second. It tickled me. So come on down and take a look.